bunnies, and welcome to Valentine's Week Day 3. And for today's video, we're going to be doing a very romantic hairstyle. Alright, I want you guys to keep on watching if you guys want to see how I achieve these gorgeous curls. Okay? Okay bunnies, and that is the look. I hope you guys love it. All the products mentioned will be in the description bar below, so make sure you guys check that out. Come back tomorrow for Valentine's Week Day 4, where we talk about the outfits. Alright? Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.
You never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life.